Welcome back. Government has reiterated its earlier stand on Made issue. Government will not have any negotiations with Karnataka. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath had an all-party meeting along with the Water Resources Minister Philip Neri Rodriguez on Wednesday. The government has taken a firm stand on the diversion of water from the Made River basin. The Chief Minister Digambar Kamath convened an all-party meeting at his residence on Wednesday morning to discuss the stand to be taken on the issue. The meeting was attended by Karma Pegat, Deepak Daulikar, Water Resources Minister Philip Neri Rodriguez and Prakash Fatte. Kamath said that the government will be moving a special petition to the Supreme Court asking Karnataka to stop all work on the Made River.
And today, in the all-party meeting, it was resolved that we stick to the same stand and request the Union Minister to see that Karnataka stops the ongoing work which they are doing, since the matter has been now referred to the tribunal. Now, I am told today in the meeting that our government will be moving a special petition before the Supreme Court, saying that since the matter has been now referred to the tribunal, asking Supreme Court to direct Karnataka to stop the work.
CM was questioned on the legality of the rave party called Chakraview to be held at Butterfly Beach at Algonda on the 5th of February. He said he will direct the South District Collector to look into the matter. He also said that the party cannot be held without the permission of the concerned authorities. Goa police have also sought report from the district superintendent and anti-narcotic unit over the mega party planned by Delhi-based group, as it may end up being a drug-laced party.
First of all, I will check up with the collector if anybody has applied for permission, whether anybody has given them permission. And even if they have given permission, I'll ask collector to go verify, check, and if required to take action.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sunny Narvekar. Thieves have now hit CM's gully. Hari Mandir, which is very close to CM's house, was robbed late night on Tuesday. Thieves decamped with 50 to 55,000 rupees.
Hari Mandir, which is in the heart of Madgaon city and just next to CM's house, was robbed on Tuesday night. Thieves entered the mandir by removing roof tiles. Secretary of the temple Manohar Borkar informed us that around 50 to 55,000 are robbed from the fund box.
फंडपेटी फोडून साधारण 50 ते 55 हजाराची कॅश चोरांनी व्हेल्या अशी आमचो प्राथमीक अंदाज आसा आनी चोर येतना हांगा नळे काडून तो फोर फोडून सकयल देंवले आनी तांणी ती चोरी केल्ली आसा. आमी ही फंडपेटी साधारण आमचे एक 6-7 म्हयने जाले आमी कॅश काडली नाशिल्ली.
Police reached at the site and filed Panchanama. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath and Fatoda MLA Damu Naik visited the temple. Damu Naik has asked Home Minister to look into such matters personally.
एक भर बाजारातली एक देऊळ आणि मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या घरापासून लागीं आशिल्ले ह्या देवळा कडेन पर्यंत चोर पावले. म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी हे हातून पुलीस प्रशासनान भितर खंय तरी आतां लक्ष घालपाची गरज आसा. कोण तो चोर आसा तो ताका थंय एकदम धरून, कारण हे डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ आयडल्स आनी देवळां ह्यांचे प्रमाण इतलें वाडिल्लें आसा, अजून पर्यंत ट्रेसेबल जायना आनी अशें ह्या चोरांच्या हातून फावता. म्हाका दिसता गृहमंत्र्यान मुद्दाम हे हातून स्वता लक्ष घालून IB, CID आनी बाकीच्यो सगळ्यो ज्यो आसा त्यो परत एकदा घटमूट करून हे जे पळय एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फेलर पळय म्हणून जें जालां आसा तें खंय तरी बंद करपाक जाय.
Looks like robbers are neither scared about the god nor about the government. This robbery in the high security zone has definitely raised many questions. Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt for Prudent Media.
Goa America Heart Foundation is planning 75-bedded cardiac hospital at Porvorim. This hospital will have ICU and CCU facilities. This project is expected to be completed within 3 to 4 years.
Knowledge Forum on Cardiology was held on Tuesday at Siddharth. Dr. J. Anthony Gomes, a cardiologist of Goan origin based in America, was present at the function. Ralph D'Souza, the trustee of Goa America Heart Foundation, briefed us more about the activities. He said the cardiac hospital project will be completed within 3 to 4 years.
Our next step we want to establish is an ICU unit. And once that is done, the last phase would be to put up a hospital that would stabilize only in cardiac care.
Dr. J. Anthony Gomes highlighted that Indians are not much health conscious. Indian diet contains lot of bad cholesterol.
Indians have a genetic predisposition for coronary artery disease, and it's thought to be related to the very fact that they have a high cholesterol, they have a very low good cholesterol, and they have a high bad cholesterol. There are other factors as well. The Indian diet is not very good. Indians are not very health conscious. They don't exercise. Sports, I think it's becoming now, but they're not as sporty, or they don't exercise as much.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Ganesh Hotkar for Prudent Media.
It's a prudent impact. Health officer of Vasco Health Center has inspected the influx of sewerage water into the natural spring at Mercedes Wade in Vasco. Officers said that the health center at Vasco will instruct garrison officers to stop the sewerage water entering into the spring. Prudent had highlighted the woes of villages.
Residents of Mercedes Wade are troubled with the sewerage problem. They had alleged that sewerage outlet from the Navy quarters is polluting the spring water. Locals were using this water for bathing and washing clothes. Health officer Balkrishna Surve has taken a serious note of this after Prudent highlighted the issue on 24 January. The officer agreed that he came to know about this fact after watching the news on Prudent. He said that he has contacted the concerned Navy officers and will write to them regarding this.
तुम्ही आमकां नजरेर हाडटकीर आमी इन्स्पेक्शन केलें आनी अशें दिसपाक लागलें की तेंच्या कंपाउंड वॉल ते मॅरीड अकोमोडेशन प्रोजेक्ट जे बिल्डिंगे आसा 7-8 त्या हेच्यातल्यान तेंचे ओवरफ्लो जाता आनी ते हायवे क्रॉस करून सकल जे नॅचरल स्प्रिंग आहा थंय पर्यंत वतात ते म्हणून आमी गॅरसन इंजिनियर कॉन्टॅक्ट केला असिस्टंट इंजिनियर ऑफ दॅट कन्सर्न सेक्शन. त्यांनी सांगला दे आर गोइंग टू बी टेक एक्शन आणि त्यांनी तोंडान ओरली त्यांनी सांगला तरी आम्ही त्यांना थ्रू हेल्थ सर्व्हिस अर्बन हेल्थ सेंटर वास्को आम्ही त्यांना एक लेटर करून ते स्टॉप करपाचे रिक्वेस्ट करता.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.